We understand the value of property and how important it is to our clients.
We provide a product that's dependable and efficient, and we can get it into their hands quickly, which allows them to make decisions.
Clients don't want to go and hire a different scanning firm, a VDC firm, and then a surveying firm. They come to us because we have everything in-house.
Feldman is a leader in innovation in New England.
We're able to capture more data through the newer technologies than we've ever been able to do before. This company has been around since 1946. We have a reputation for accuracy and producing plans that everyone can rely on. I started surveying my freshman year of college. Now I'm here. Over the years, I have been an instrument operator, crew chief, survey technician, assistant project manager, senior project manager, and now vice president.
If you would have asked me when I was 6 years old what I wanted to be when I grew up, I would say land surveyor. What's so great about land surveying is that it's very dynamic. There's always something new to learn or new to grow from. You're never stagnant. Being able to provide a product that is both useful and valuable to a client is very rewarding.